Loading preparation in tanker ship. Consult a cargo data sheets or MSDS and their information given by the charterer or by the loading terminal. Testing of cargo, ballast valves, sea valves, pipelines, pumps, inert, gas system, and also the emergency stops are important to test first because maybe one of them are not working and for you to know immediately first. Preparedness of firefighting equipment, life-saving appliances, anti-pollution, and communication equipment. And for the last is filled out in the pre-arrival checklist. There should be a proper exchange of information. The terminal representative should be explained the plan for loading. The tanker must be securely moored at all times. It is important for the deck watch to know the state of tides, and the loading arms should be properly aligned to the manifolds throughout the operation. While taking rounds on deck, the watchkeeper should ensure that the accommodation doors, potholes are secured. Pump rooms, vents should be prepared. A sharp lookout for any signs of leakage through pipelines. A watch overside, a proper watch for gangway, no unauthorized visitors to board, a proper manifold watch, proper check on moorings. Safety precautions should be taken when connecting, disconnecting manifolds, and an officer should be in attendance. There have been many incidents due to improper operating procedures during connecting or disconnecting manifolds. The ballasting tank will then, as per the cargo plan drawn up by the chief officer, one person should be monitor usually the discharge of ballast. Even though it is segregated ballast, and all the remaining ballast in the tank will have to be transferred the slope tank to avoid ballast mixing the cargo. Transport. Cargoes carried by a chemical tank differ widely in characteristics and mode of handling, thus in the care they require during transit. During voyage, attention must be paid to these special needs of cargoes. Um, Regular checks on the tank content should be made to detect unexpected change in liquid level. We need to move with care, always presence of mind while during transit at sea, and you may pay attention of cargo heating, cargo cooling, tank atmosphere, temperature control, and nitrogen cover. Preparation for discharging. The chief officer shall prepare a detailed cargo oil discharge plan before arrival discharge port. The plan shall be posted in CCR, conspicuous located, and distributed to all personnel directly involved in the discharge operation. The discharge plan should be assigned to confirm that the person has read and fully understood the procedures. The chief officer shall also prepare a watch schedule and person in charge list for all transfer operation for the discharge operation. Discharging. All you have to do with discharging is what is said in preparation in discharging. Inerting. The process of reducing the oxygen level in the cargo tank is called inerting. Oxygen content to less than 8% required to be in the tank contain flammable cargoes, and to be able to bring the cargo have to be oxygen level inert gas containing less than 5% of oxygen is introduced in the cargo tank. Ballasting. Ballasting of ships helps in reducing ship's stress on the hull of the vessel. It, it also provides for transverse stability of the ship. Ballast helps in immersing the rudder, supporting the maneuverability of vessel, and also reducing the exposed hull surface. Tank cleaning. Tank cleaning on chemical tank is primarily done washing with the seawater, followed by the fresh water, rinsing, subsequent tank cleaning, and treatment of tank is cleaned upon cargo to be loaded and previous cargo carried. Um, the steps of tank cleaning on chemical tank. Number one, pre-cleaning with seawater. Number two, main wash by seawater. Number three, chemical washing. Number four, rinse by fresh water. Number five, draining tank. Number six, drying tank with ventilation. Number seven, mop and dry. And the last is number eight, test of verify the required standards. Tank inspection. Intervals to be followed on board as per as the vessel planned maintenance system. In principle, the intervals should be as water ballast tanks, tanker, and gas carriers at least once every 12 months. Water ballast tanks, container ship at least every 12 months. And that's all my laboratory number 3.